I stayed at this hotel in Fairbanks tonight because today's the day that I go down to see my brother in Wasilla. I met a friend here, the manager of the outfit, the motel here. So go ahead and tell us a little bit about your name and who you are and the interesting conversation we just had.
My name's Yuval. I'm the general manager at Golden North Inn in Fairbanks, and just talking to my new friend here about life's journeys with religion and peoplehood and how those things, even through different peoplehoods, still have a lot of connections. So I'm Israeli and Jewish, and
My name is Elvie.
Elvie comes from an Amish community background and the similarities between those two and how time interacts with all those.
Yeah, we had some good conversations. And I was telling, your name again?
Yuval.
I was telling Yuval that this morning I'm waiting around for it to get light. I'm not going to leave Fairbanks area till about 10 o'clock so that's light so I can see the country between here and Wasilla. It's about a 5-hour drive. So I still have about an hour and a half. And we're waiting for contact from a lady here in Fairbanks that my wife's been in contact with her. Her name is Tracy, and she wrote a book. I wish I could remember the name of the book right now. It fails me. It's about the 12 days in Israel that we took, my wife and I and my nephew Joseph. It was called 12-12-12. December 12th of 2012, we were in Israel for 12 days of travel and worship for the destiny of Israel, to worship over the land and meet the people. And so she wrote a book about that journey of about 200 or so people who went on that journey. So she just got back last night from where she was traveling. She said she's going to sleep in. If I can get some contact from her this morning, I might go out and say hi to her and meet her. And so we're waiting for that. But if she doesn't answer, I'll just continue to Wasilla. But I thought that interesting. Just happened to be in Fairbanks, so connections. And so it was nice talking to you. We were talking about the Jewish and the Amish, some of our backgrounds and similarities. And so it was refreshing just to talk to you, having some coffee here with you in the front lobby. Thanks for sharing.
I appreciate it. It's not every day we have great conversations like this, so I appreciate it.
I just left Fairbanks, heading to Wasilla to meet with my brother Joas today. Give you a report on what's happened so far. Just now I have a light on my dash says service emission system, so that doesn't look good. Yesterday I tried putting the DEF fluid in there and it wouldn't take it in because it was frozen. The DEF intake was frozen. So I don't know what that's going to be like, but anyhow, I had an interesting time in Fairbanks. Got to meet that person at the front desk, and looking forward to this ride down to Wasilla. Now this emission light says it's coming on. I think it's because of the cold weather. It's 33 below zero and has a hard time operating the emission system. I don't know. All right, well, we'll see what happens here. I have to stop and get video. I believe that's Denali, but I'm not sure. My map doesn't say, and no signs have said. So I'm going to get a 360 here. Then I'll pull it in and do a 360. Maybe that mountain back there is Denali. I don't know. I believe that's Denali, but I just don't know. Here is taken farther out. That's Denali. I'll make it to Wasilla and this engine's gonna shut down because it's out of the DEF fluid. But I've tested it. I can speed up, slow down. Everything's operating normally now. And it's a lot warmer. It's 10 degrees out. I really think that's my diagnosis. Something in the emission system, liquid, froze. And it caused these codes to come up and these faults, and it didn't drive right. So there we go. I had to get video of Denali from the south looking north. That is awesome. That's the tallest mountain in North America. I'm here. I'm pulling into Joas's house now, Montana rancher that they shipped up from Libby, Montana. So let's go ahead and meet my brother and his family. I've only seen this in pictures and video. There is Joas. I'm in Alaska with my brother Joas and the kids. These are all the Montana Haven Alaska Edition children. So let's see, they're all here, right, Joas?
Yeah, they're all here.
All of Joas and Priscilla's children are here. So, yeah, you guys, you want to get their names and their information, look at watch the channel Montana Haven.
Well, we're heading up to a place here that we always like to take visitors because it's such a beautiful place and it's close to home. It's called Hatcher Pass. And it's just a place where if you get to go, it's like driving into Glacier National Park. It's just beautiful, big valleys, big mountains. And this time of year with all the snow, we can't drive all the way through Hatcher Pass, but we can get up to the place here. And it looks like little Switzerland when you get up there, just big mountains, and it's really beautiful.
That's looking down toward Anchorage to the right, in that valley down to the right. This is incredible footage. Absolutely phenomenal. The children are going down this hill with the sleds. That looks a little risky. Is it all like a trough? Whoa. That's cool. So they slide down there, or sled down there, then we go back around and pick them up on the road below. Awesome. And they're gonna do some drone flying. There's people skiing there. They walk up and ski down. This does look like Switzerland. There's a little village up here. Is that the end of the road?
Nope, not quite. Well, actually it is now. Not during the summer, it's not.
That's awesome. There comes Chloe. Wow, she's coming. Whoa, about crashed into me.